You know it's about to go down in my kitchen. I have some fresh fish right here. I'm just coming from the fisher's market and I have some doctor fish, parrot fish, snapper fish, and I'm going to show you how I do my steamed fish, so stick around for that. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button right there. Also remember to turn your notification bell on, so each time I upload a video you'll be one of the first to be notified. And to all my long-time subscribers, one fam, thank you guys for sticking around. Alright, we have much more in store. So today I'll be doing steamed fish, yeah. And I have my pumpkin right here, a Scotch Bonnet pepper, a thyme, some Irish potatoes, scallions, green onions. I have some onions as well, and I have some tomato. And I will be using some grey Scotch soup in this because I like when my steamed fish has that soupy texture. You know that cock soup, you know cock soup flavor. So yeah. So guys, stick around if you want to see how I do my steamed fish. So when I'm steaming my fish, I add a little oil to my pot. Then I put my seasoning in my pot. And just ensure that this is spread. Then I'll add a little water. And my mom has always told me that I'm using too much water whenever I'm steaming fish, but I don't think so. I need to let these pumpkin, you know, get a bit soft before, so I think that water is perfect. And I'm going to put my butter now. I would have loved to be using okras, but I don't have any, so this will still be nice. I don't like okra anyway, I don't eat okra, so no big deal, still be nice. I'm going to put this on the stove with the lid and I'll show you guys when I'm midway through. It's time for us to check on our pot, and it is bubbling and looking perfect. Just go ahead and take this pepper out because Not everybody can consume pepper good in my family. So I'm just going to go and add my fish, and I'm going to push them to the bottom so the seasoning comes up on top. This pot doesn't seem like it's going to be able to hold all my fish. So guys, my steamed fish is finished now, and I'm just going to dish this out so you guys can see what's it looking like. Alright. So guys, my steamed fish is ready and it is cooked to perfection. See how easily the meat is separated. And I have my pumpkins right here, steamed to perfection as well, with my Irish. So I have a parrotfish and a doctor fish. And over here, some bami. So I don't eat bami, so that's for Omar. So I'm just showing you. This is Amar's dinner, however. So I'm just using it to show you guys. And I have some salads over here, which is just lettuce and tomato. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until then, lovies, walk safe. Mwah.